Hi everyone, if you're into vintage radios, then you may well have some Bakelite sets in your collection. And you always have that proverbial question, what do you polish them with? Now you have to be careful, as you're probably aware of, with Bakelite because it's got a very thin surface, and then beneath that we've actually got a wood filler. And what we don't want to do is use a paste that's so aggressive that we actually wear through that Bakelite. But nonetheless, we still need to get a nice polish. So what I'm going to do is actually try 4 different pastes and see which is the best. Now, what I'm using for demonstration is this old Murphy U198H. And the reason for that is, one, as you can see, it hasn't seen a lot of love in a long time, and two, it's got a nice flat surface. So first up, we have this. This is paste polishing number 5, and this is made by Greygate Chemical Products, and it's still available. And this is specifically designed for polishing Bakelite, but there are a few other schools of thought. One is that we utilise Brasso. Now, Brasso, if you're outside the UK, this is a metal polish, basically, just for using on sort of brass and other sort of things. So it has got abrasives in it, so we need to be a little bit careful with that. But some people say they've got really good results with it. Another school of thought, would you believe, is to use toothpaste. Now again, because this is very slightly abrasive, it may well give us some reasonable results. And then the last one I'm going to use is this. This is just called Pink Stuff. It's basically just a cleaning paste. It's used on many surfaces, but I'm just going to give that a try as well, just for comparison. So what I'm going to do is split that up into 4. So I'm going to get some masking tape, pop that on. There we go. I'm just going to try each corner or each quarter and see which gives the best. So what I'm going to do is utilise Brasso in the top left. So I'm going to give it a shake. I'm just going to go gentle with all of these because what I don't want to do is overdo it and ruin things, and advise yourself to see exactly the same. So just some gentle circling, just some gentle circular movements. Now you can see it's got paint on this as well. That's all radios seem to do. So I'm not pressing too hard. So that's our Brasso. What I'm going to do next is let's try toothpaste. I'm just going to try another cloth. I have no idea how this is going to work. I've never used it. But nevertheless, let's have a look at it. Again, I'm not going too hard with this. Okay, there we go. Let's put some muck off there. That's good. And try another one. This time we're going to try the original cleaning paste. So this is cleaning paste number 5. Just need a very small amount. Oh, like so. Let's get a bit more on that. There we go. Again, just circular motions. None of these are taking the paint off so far, but to be honest, I didn't expect them to. You don't want to have too much abrasive in your paste, or abrasive sort of compound in your paste. I can't think of the words. But I know you know what I mean. So that's that one. And then lastly, we're going to try this pink stuff. As I say, this is just a cleaning paste that you tend to use on a multitude of surfaces. Sorry, I was out of the camera there. Let's try that. Another clean cloth. Okay, not too much. And yes, it is pink. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now is give this a polish. I've got a microfiber cloth. It's going to polish all of those surfaces. Try not to contaminate them. It's actually taking a bit of polishing. Let me just try a duster type thing. See if we can get a bit more leverage with that. Wow, certainly got some different results. So let's take that masking tape off, and hopefully that'll give us a little bit more of a contrast. So to recap, we had Brasso toothpaste, original cleaning polish, cleaning paste, and then that's cleaning polish number 5. And to be honest, I would suggest Brasso probably gives you the best results. Certainly on this demonstration, it does need a bit more of a buff. As I say, I didn't press too hard on this, and perhaps sometimes you just need to sort of fill your way with the various polishes to get the best results. So, polishing paste number 5, yes, that's polishing paste number 5. I am surprised that's probably come out the worst. The cleaning paste, that wasn't too bad. Toothpaste, reasonable. Brasso, the best results. I am surprised by this. And there you go. I thought I'd just do a quick video on this because I was curious myself as to what would come out the best. And I thought, why not share it with you guys as well? All that leaves me to say is, appreciate you watching, and I'll catch up with you soon.